So the islands in the Maldives are essentially coral reefs, which sand has piled up on top of them over time, and that's what creates the islands we have today. So sand and coral are two both essential parts of the Maldives, and it would not be here without them.
We have two lovely manta frames, and we've collected corals of opportunity, fragmented them into smaller pieces, and together we can attach the corals to the frame. First, I will show you how. Thank you all for joining us today on the World Ocean Day celebrations.